At last, the long-awaited day has arrived. Following a prolonged period of financial losses, we are now about to get significant news. This particular piece of information is certain to surprise you. In addition, the charts are seeing an upward trend. It is a highly anticipated day for investors. After enduring many days with a declining portfolio, it seems that we may shortly achieve profitability. However, what is the precise occurrence? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Following a one-week decline of 6%, Shiba Inu is now seeing a favorable rebound. Investors experienced significant apprehension and distress due to the price volatility of Shiba Inu. It is difficult to comprehend the level of stress one has while seeing a decline in their assets over a span of many weeks. Indeed, the investors' concern has now transformed into genuine satisfaction. At last, the Shiba Inu is experiencing a period of recuperation, an essential recuperation sought by both investors and the society. This is positive news that has the potential to generate profits for their portfolios, or at the very least, put them near to profitability. The investors may now have a sense of comfort after the recent events over the last several weeks. In addition, the investors are content and pleased with the possibility that this might initiate more upward momentum. They assert with certainty that this situation may last for an extended period of time beyond a few weeks. There is a possibility that we may see an increase in earnings in the market in the near future. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is presently in the forefront of the resurgence of meme coins, as it has successfully recovered from its previous decline. According to CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu has had a spike of almost 3% in the previous 24 hours. Investors are experiencing optimism on this development, seeing it as an indication of economic recovery and restored market confidence. In addition, whales are also migrating. What activities are they now engaged in? Presently, there is an escalating sequence of events seen in the overall volume of whale transactions. It is important that you be aware of this information. Into the Block reports a 45% increase in whale transactions during a 24-hour period. The amount reached an enormous figure of about $140 million. The augmentation of whale accumulation is vital for the general well-being of Shiba Inu. This suggests that the whales are preparing for a significant increase in the value of Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, and they are progressively purchasing more of it in anticipation of future gains. The whales likely have the belief that we will imminently reverse the negative trend. That is the reason why they are amassing a significant amount. Furthermore, I provide something intriguing. While the value of Shiba Inu was increasing, other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, were facing difficulties in achieving similar growth. Bitcoin is now experiencing a prolonged period of decline and is facing significant challenges. Nevertheless, an intriguing event occurred yesterday. This might perhaps indicate a precursor to an imminent significant action. The whales are maintaining secrecy and discretion over this matter. Moreover, it is quite likely that they will want to keep this information concealed from you. However, what transpired? According to a prominent market expert, a sum of 12,700 Bitcoin was transferred to accumulation addresses during the last 24 hours. Consequently, a substantial quantity of Bitcoin is being amassed by the whales. What are the strategic plans of the whales? What is the objective they are trying to achieve? It is likely that there will be a significant increase in value in the near future due to the accumulation of factors. It is important to mention that this substantial quantity is equivalent to around $840 million. The whales are prepared, and it would be advisable for us to be as well. The resurgence of confidence in the ecosystem indicates that there may be a quick recovery after a substantial decline in prices. The data also indicates that there has been a significant increase of 67% in major transactions during a 24-hour period, reaching about $50 billion. The whales are now amassing the most amount they have ever accumulated. The recent decrease in Bitcoin's price might perhaps be a temporary market manipulation, aimed at testing investor confidence before the price experiences a significant increase. Small investors have been concerned by this news, unsure of their next course of action. Furthermore, they are pleased that the whales have entered the accumulating phase, indicating the potential for significant upward movement from this point forward. There are forecasts indicating a significant increase in the next weeks. However, all of it is really a superficial aspect of the situation. Furthermore, it becomes much more intriguing. An up-to-date analytics study from an on-chain data provider presents very optimistic statistics on the two leading meme cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, based on a crucial parameter: the MVRV, market value to realized value ratio. This ratio may be used to assess the peaks and troughs of the market, while also offering significant insights about the purchasing and selling patterns of traders. The analysis states that a cryptocurrency with a lower ratio is more likely to have a short-term price increase in the future. This news is very surprising and has caused investors to be enthusiastic about accumulating assets, as they anticipate the possibility of making significant profits in the near future. This revelation has significant implications for Shiba Inu. Based on recent statistics, the MVRV ratio of Dogecoin and Cardano is now rather low. Dogecoin stands at 16% and Cardano at 12%. The on-chain corporation characterizes this as a highly optimistic trend. Keep in mind that a lower number indicates a higher level of quality. Consequently, these two currencies possess the greatest probability of seeing a temporary increase. However, what is the status of the Shiba Inu breed? When a commenter, who seemed to be a Shiba Inu enthusiast, asked about the status of Shiba Inu, an unforeseen event occurred. The firm operating on the blockchain platform reported a significant decrease of 19% in the number, particularly among these high market capitalization companies. This implies that Shiba Inu's present position is even more optimistic than those of Dogecoin and Cardano. Investors were taken aback by this disclosure, and it ignited genuine enthusiasm for the future prospects of Shiba Inu. There is a high likelihood of experiencing substantial profits in the near future, which is causing optimism and leading many people to think about acquiring Shiba Inu. It seems that the Shiba Inu is now in a bullish phase, indicating the potential for significant upward movement from its current position. It might be argued that we are now in a period of accumulation, when large investors known as whales are gathering more coins in anticipation of an upcoming upward trend. Not only has this aroused their excitement, but it has also instilled them with more optimism for the future. Here is something you should comprehend. This research, conducted by a business specializing in on-chain data, was not the only analysis expressing a positive outlook. Indeed, a growing number of professionals and corporations are anticipated to have a positive outlook on Shiba Inu. These experts have finally shifted their stance to positive after a prolonged period. Furthermore, this has generated even greater enthusiasm among investors. Furthermore, a proficient analyst substantiated his assertion about the very optimistic outlook for Shiba Inu. Despite the current downward trend that resulted in a 6% decrease in value over the previous week, market experts such as Jevon Marks have a positive outlook on the future of Shiba Inu. Marks predicts that this decrease in price might lead to a substantial increase in price. Marks' recent study emphasizes that Shiba Inu is now trading at levels above those it surpassed in February, indicating its durability and potential for a rebound. The Shiba Inu breed is now thriving. An upward trajectory is feasible and beneficial for the ecology. In addition, he predicts a possible 294% surge in the price of Shiba Inu, with the intention of propelling its value towards the former record high level. Marx suggests that the present market decline may be laying the groundwork for a substantial increase in prices. He predicts that Shiba Inu has the ability to exceed the previous highest value and maybe reach a value with 3 zeros, setting a new record. This is a significant occurrence, considering it is uncommon for investments to double or even triple in value. Nevertheless, in March, we had previously seen a similar occurrence. Regardless, while this is not financial advice, it is important for us to be cognizant of this price forecast for the future of Shiba Inu. Nevertheless, despite the optimistic evaluations, the situation is not entirely favorable. Please make a record of this. Currently, Shiba Inu is encountering two significant barriers to its progress. These barriers are positioned in a price range of 0.5 and 0.3, representing the anticipated new record high. This colossal barrier symbolizes a threshold when more than 91,000 addresses acquired 29.6 trillion Shiba Inu, which is now valued at $500 million US. If there is a big increase in selling at this level, it might cause another decrease in value. However, if Shiba Inu is able to overcome the resistance at this important level of supply, the professional analyst predicts that it will probably continue to go higher. He proposes that this significant development might force the price of Shiba Inu to reach a new record peak. In essence, it will eliminate a zero from the price, thereby increasing investors' enthusiasm to purchase. One can only speculate on the immense sense of joy and excitement that this will bring to both the community and investors. We are under the impression that it will arrive in the near future. Both experts and corporations are expressing a positive outlook. While acknowledging the inherent volatility of the crypto market, it is prudent to be well prepared for any potential outcomes. However, what is your viewpoint on such matter? Please leave a comment below. I am keen to peruse your viewpoint.